Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the review of the OOZZ Air for you guys. So they came in this package right here, and I've got 3 wet and 1 closure. So this is what their packaging looks like. It has their name in front of it, which is OOZZ Gold. The one I have with me today is the premium OOZZ Gold 10A. This is the fact that the hair is from a single donor, and I'm just going to bring it out for you guys. That means the hair would have great texture, great consistency, since the bundle comes from just one donor. And what that means is that the quality would be amazing because it's just from one donor, and the consistency would be really great, compared to other grades that are mixture of different donors and all. Most of you don't understand what Remy hair means. Remy hair means that the cuticles are in the same direction throughout the process of the hair. So what that does is to prevent the hair from shedding or getting matte or tangling. But the advantage of Remy hair is the fact that they're very silky and they look natural like your own real hair, and they last longer. So we're gonna put all that to test right now. The packaging, guys, I like the packaging. Wow, this is the hair, guys, and it doesn't have those horrible smells. Look at that, guys. You can already feel how silky and smooth it feels in the length 18. I like the fact that the hands are equal. They are not split ends or anything. It felt so silky. I don't know, you guys think, I don't know if you guys do. So that's what the bundle looks like, and it's 100 grams. This is what it looks like when you bring it out of the package. So soft. And the hands, guys, look at the hands. Look at the hands, guys. This is how to definitely know a real proper hair. Their hands, the real hair. So this is in the length 16, guys. I just can't help but keep touching it. Like, it's so soft, so silky. It's how to know if your hair is by one donor. The color is the same, the length is the same, the hands is the same, the ends are the same, and the texture of the hair is the same. So that for me has actually proved that it's definitely from one donor, because the consistency of the hair, the texture of the hair, the colors of the hair, and the hands of the hair, which is very, very important for me. Because the next product I'm going to be showing you guys from the package is their Opal Premium Silk Closure, which the packaging looks like that. On the package it says 100% virgin Remy human hair, premium hand-tied silk base closure, 3x4, and it's Remy hair as well. That means it's 100% human hair. And this is the front of it. It's 3x4 in length, and I'm just going to show you. It's amazing. I've tried so many silk base closure before, but this is different because this adapts straight to my skin. I'm just going to show you guys. Wow, this is amazing. If I place it on the palm of my hands, it adapts to the color of the palm of my hand as well. So this is really, really interesting. I like that. The most interesting thing that I really liked about this closure is the fact that there is no knots, so there's no need for you to bleach it. Closure adapts to the color of the mannequin, so anyone can wear this wig. Look at how the closure adapts to the color of this cap on my head. This is so amazing. I love this. I absolutely love this. So I'm gonna comb the hair and style it for you guys. Look at how silky the hair feels. Look at that, guys. The amazing part of this hair is the hands. Look at that. The hands are so equal, and I'm quite impressed. I'm not a fan of straight hair, but since I tried this on, guys, I have actually changed my mind. I'm so loving it. The brush goes in and out without any problem. Look at the hands, guys. This is how you know a good quality hair. Look at how silky it feels. There is no product whatsoever on the hair, and it feels so silky and soft. I'm not a straight hair kind of girl, but this has actually changed my mind. Look at that, guys. Very silky, very soft, and I'm loving it. I just, curled the top bit and left the down bit, just to give it a little bit dimension. The hair is absolutely amazing, guys. What I'm wearing today is the premium OOZZ Gold 10A single donor Brazilian virgin hair. OOZZ are a hair company that supplies wig bundles, are very, very affordable with good quality. So the first thing I noticed about this hair is the fact that it's very, very silky, and I'm a kind of girl that don't really wear straight hair. That's interesting. Another thing I noticed about this hair that I really, really, really like about this hair is the fact that there is no need for me to coil it at all. I mean, there's no need for me to straighten it at all because the hair was silky straight from the box. And I noticed and really like about this hair is the fact that their closure, guys, is their Opal Premium Silk closure, guys. This closure is, I don't know how that works or how they did that. It's just amazing. It adapts to skin color or wherever you place it, so which is quite amazing. That means anyone can wear this wig, not just me. Anyone of any skin type or skin tone can wear this wig. So I placed the wig on the head of the mannequin, and it adapts straight to the color of the mannequin. I place it on the back of my hand, it adapts to the color of my hand, and I'm like, wow, this is like magic to me. I'm just gonna show you guys. Look at that. That is actually the color of the wig cap that I'm wearing under the wig. So if you're dark skinned and you're wearing a dark cap, then the silk base would adapt straight to the color of the cap you're wearing under it. So that for me is a bonus, because sometimes when we get wigs or when we make wigs, we tend to apply concealer on our hair, and which sometimes is so obvious just that people will be looking like, can you just blend that concealer a bit? Which is quite funny. But with this closure, there's no need whatsoever for you to apply your foundation or concealer to it. That for me is a big plus, because having the assurance that when I wear my closure, it adapts to my skin tone, and it won't be obvious that I'm wearing a wig. I'm definitely loving about this closure. Another thing that I really like about this closure is the fact there is no knots at all. There is no knots, guys. You guys don't know how much this means. I don't need to bleach the knots. It's like a dream come true, because first I started making wigs, the first mistake I made was over bleaching my lace closure, which was actually expensive. It was a total waste. I had to just dump it. Like, guys, dump it. But with this closure, there's no need for you to stress. With this closure, there's no need for you to stress or buying bleach after spending so much on your closure, and you end up buying bleach and bleaching the knots and everything. There is no such thing with this, with this closure. So the knots showing and the nets coming straight from your head, like making it obvious that you're wearing a wig. That feeling when you have the lace net on your lace closure, and it's always very obvious that you're wearing a wig. But with this one, it does not feel that way. It felt so much like your scalp, which is quite amazing. I'm definitely going to keep this wig for special occasions. Like, guys, I actually have 3 bundles on, and it felt so full and natural. I have the lengths 18, 18 and 16. Another thing I noticed about their bundles is the fact that the 18 feels like 2022 in terms of length. Like, the length is longer than, the length feels really longer than 18, which I'm quite surprised about. Look at the length 18. Look at where it got to on me, and I am 5.4, and look at how long that is, guys. The length of their bundles is quite amazing. Like, 18 feels so much like 2022. In fact, about this hair is that it's 10A single donor, which means the three bundles that I got were actually from one single donor. That means the consistency of the texture of the hair is absolutely the same. The hair won't go matte, there will be no shedding, there will be no tangling, which you guys can already tell how smooth and silky it is. Because if the hair is from different donors, then there will be you know, there'll be differences in texture, quality and all that, but the fact that it's from a single donor is, you know, amazing for me, because consistency of the texture of the hair and the quality will be the same all through, which is quite amazing. And you guys can already tell how soft and how silky the hair is. The fact that I'm not a straight hair girl and wearing a straight hair, really, I'm loving a straight hair. Like, if you've been following me for a while now, you know that I do not wear straight hair at all. But loving this one means I am a fan. In my opinion, I would definitely recommend this hair. Thing I noticed about this brand that a lot of you guys might not know is the fact that their hair is very affordable, guys. Their hair is very affordable, and they are based in UK. They ship worldwide. And the most interesting part about this brand is the fact that they cater for all hair types. They have Brazilian hair, they have Peruvian hair, just name all the hair types that you like and texture. And the most interesting thing is the fact that they are very affordable. All their hair are very affordable. So in conclusion, would I recommend this hair? Definitely recommend the hair, based on the quality, based on the price, and based on the fact that they have 6 months guarantee that if the hair tangles or goes matte, they would replace the hair free of charge. Then guys, that's a no-brainer, guys. It's a no-brainer. That means they are very sure of the quality they're providing to you guys. So I would definitely recommend their hair. And if you're interested in getting any hair from the brand, please feel free to use my code to get 10% off from their already affordable hair. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.